Hello and greetings. I have something to work on. Let's welcome Maryan. She will guide you throughout this episode.
Hi there, it's me, Maryan. I am the library assistant of Scholar Realm. And I will always guide you along your Papermade Duel journey. This episode will teach you how to switch your Papermade. Let's get started, shall we? Your active Papermade puppy is on the field. Kitty is your bench Papermade. Let's switch your Papermade. To do so, you must discard one card. You consume one charge. Place your puppy on your bench. Then, place your kitty on the same location. Now, place the charge token on kitty stat card, with the same amount of charge. You can switch your Papermade as many times as you can, as long as you're able to pay the cost. After you switch your Papermade, can it move, or activate a new Papermade skill? Well, let's find out. If your active Papermade has not moved before switch, you can move your new active Papermade after switch. If your active Papermade moved before switch, you cannot move your new active Papermade after switch. Let's talk about skill activation. On previous episode, we have learned that each Papermade skill can activate once per turn. You can activate your active Papermade skill, then switch your Papermades. You can activate the new active Papermade skill.
Maryan, just carry on. There are 4 students visiting us. Let me entertain them.
Sure. Let me carry on the summary of the day. Let's recap what you have learned. First of all, to switch, you have to discard one card and consume one charge. Next, you can switch as many times as you want. Finally, you have learned what can be done before or after switching your Papermade. Can you switch your Papermade with affected elements effect? Well, we will explain it on the Elements Effect episode. See you again on the next episode. Cheers.